everybody, and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. Today we are going to be drawing Sasuke from Naruto. And I have a few trivia facts that I'm going to be giving you throughout the video as you draw along with me. First of all, thank you so much for being here. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos, and comment so that we can talk a little bit. I always love to hear what your drawings look like and how much fun you had doing them. And if you didn't have fun, let me know about that too. So, the facts that I'm getting today are from ScreenRant.com. Here's the first fact. When the creator of Naruto initially conceptualized the series, he didn't even have this character penned into the early draft. In fact, he didn't even exist until the editor suggested that the wielder and friend of the nine-tailed fox needed a rival to compete with. Going back and looking at all these drawings we do, you realize how many times that they almost didn't come to be. We just did a My Little Pony drawing, and the whole concept was changed by the maker's wife. So, kinda crazy. Before that, we were talking about Yoda and drawing Yoda, and we found out that Yoda was almost a monkey in Star Wars. How crazy would that be? So, little twists and turns of fate, and this is what you get. Are you ready for another fact? In the Naruto data books, it was revealed that Sakura's hobbies included playing trivia games and memorizing new material for her medical studies. So that's just a little fact that you can write down, I guess. Here's another interesting fact. Sakura has appeared in every Naruto movie. Kinda crazy. So as always, I want to know how you guys are doing today. I love to hear from you guys as we draw. So the face is pretty much done, and we're starting on the collar, and we're going to move down, and this will be coming together before you know it. Do you guys have a favorite Naruto movie? I'd like to know. If you guys don't want to draw with marker like we're doing in the video, make sure you use pencil and do what I'm doing, erase the marks that you feel you messed up on, and then later on go back over it with marker. It'll look really clean and professional, and once you get it down really well, then you can just start using marker straight off the bat. A lot of the times when I'm drawing a brand new character, I will start out with pencil, even when I'm painting. And then after I've decided how I wanted the character, whether it's made up or something from a TV show, then I will go back over it with a fine marker, and once I'm done, I'll erase all the pencil marks, color it in, and you would never be able to tell that you had a pencil outline. So that was a pretty cool revelation when I found out about that. It seems common sense after you start doing it, but I never did that. I always tried to do, I always tried to go above and beyond and just do the marker or do the color first, and it never quite worked out, especially with new characters, because they're kind of difficult to make. And don't be afraid to make your own characters. That is the funnest part of drawing once you start getting decent at it, and you can make a face shape, and you're confident. You start making your own characters, and they come to life, and you can actually have original art that you can show pretty much everybody, and they'll love it. If you'd like to share any of your artwork here on this channel, make sure that you leave a comment. I would love to see what you are drawing. Alright, look how powerful this is coming out to be. I would not mess with this guy. Look at that. Did you know that Sasuke is actually immune to poison? That's right, he's also had wings. When Orochimaru unsealed the cursed seal of heaven, Sasuke gained a lot of strange powers. One of the most unique, however, was the ability to sprout wings from his back. How cool is that? Did you know that Sasuke's mind is unstable? Mine probably would be too. Hardships have tested Sasuke's mind many times. One of which, at 8 years old, his brother claimed the lives of his entire family before his eyes. Oh my gosh, can you imagine that? That would make me pretty messed up. Orochimaru also warped Sasuke's mind, making him crave power. There are many different examples of this. But hey, when you have wings on your back, it's a fair trade maybe. Here are some more facts about Sasuke. He is ambidextrous. Did you know that? If you don't know what ambidextrous is, he uses both hands and he can do it well. So that is an advantage in a fight. It's an advantage when you're drawing yourself, just like this character. Thank you so much for watching this video on Rainbow Brush and drawing along with me. Once again, my name is Brian and I will see you on the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment so that you can see all the other videos and have a chat with myself and everybody else that loves to draw.